God be with the Irish host, never be their battles lost. For in battle never yet have they basely earned defeat. Host of armour red and bright, may he fight a valiant fight for the green spot of the earth, for the land that gave you birth. Who in Erin's cause would stand, the brother of the avenging band? He must wed immortal quarrel, pain and sweat and bloody peril, on the mountain bare and steep, snatching short but pleasant sleep. Then ere sunrise from his eyrie, swooping on the Saxon quarry. What although you fail to keep Liffey's plain or Tara steep, Cashel's pleasant streams to save, or the meads of Crua and Maeve? Want of conduct lost the town, broke the white wall castle down. Moira lost in old Taltin, and let the conquering stranger in. 'Twas the want of right command, not the lack of heart or hand, left your hills and plains today, neath the strong clan Saxon sway. Had heaven never sent discord for our punishment, triumphs few o'er Erin's host, had Clan London now to boast. Woe is me, 'tis God's decree, strangers have the victory. Irishmen may now be found, outlaws upon Irish ground. Like a wild beast in his den lies the chief by hill and glen, while the strangers proud and savage Creven's richest valleys ravage. Woe is me, the foul offence, treachery and violence, done against my people's rights, will may mine be restless nights. When old Leinster's sons of fame, heads of many a warlike name, redden their victorious hilts, on the Gaul my soul exults. When the grim Gauls who have come hither o'er the ocean foam, from the fight victorious go, then my heart sinks deadly low. Bless the blades our warriors draw, God be with Clan Ranelagh, but my soul is weak for fear, thinking of their danger here. Have them in thy holy keeping, God be with them lying sleeping, God be with them standing fighting, Erin's foes in battle smiting.